The last two things we'll be doing, one will be called conditional formatting, and the other will be Format Painter and Themes. So on the report, Jobs by Salary, go ahead and right-click that and choose, so it's in the report section, and then choose Design View. Now, the conditional formatting is very similar to the conditional formatting we used in Excel to make columns and rows and cells stand out more with different colors. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure you choose the starting salary in the details section. So make sure you select that and then click the Format tab and choose Conditional Formatting. We're going to choose New Rule, and we're going to do 3 of them. The first 2 are going to use the value between 2 numbers. So click in the first one and type in 0, and it's going to be between 0 and 49,999. And then the color that we want this to appear, so click the tipped over paint bucket, and it's on the bottom row, yellow. That's our first one. Click OK. New rule, again it's going to be between, but this time it's going to be 50,000 and 69,999, and the color for this one, the shading, will be light green on the bottom row, and OK. Another rule, this one is not going to be between, you're going to choose greater than or equal to, and the value is going to be 70,000. And the color is light blue. And that's also on the bottom row, light blue. And then OK. So you should have 3 rows, very colorful, 3 rows. And then we'll OK to conditional formatting. And then on the Jobs by Salary, right-click and choose Print Preview so that you see what it looks like. And your starting salary is very colorful. Very nice. It's 5 pages. And then we'll right-click on Job Salary tab and choose Save, and then right-click and close. And the last section, you're going to open the form. So go down to Forms, Jobs by Company, and right-click, choose Design View. Select the Themes button. And then if you hover over them, they have different shading, different coloring if you want to just see what they do. But they want you to select Facet. But you don't want to left click, because if you choose Facet, it's going to put that theme on all the other objects. So instead, right click on Facet and select Apply Theme to this object only. And then we'll do the same thing for the fonts. So select Fonts, and we're going to select Arial. Again, if you choose Arial, all of your objects will be Arial. So right-click and choose Apply Font Scheme to this object only. And then we're going to click, so if you notice the 2 buttons, Print and Close, they're different. So we're going to click the Close button, and then we're going to choose the Format Painter on the Home tab, and then you're going to click that and then just click Print, so it copies the same formatting style to both Close and Print. And then we'll right click on Jobs tab and Save, and then right click and choose Form View, and then you get to see how your new design looks. And then we're going to delete the Close button. So click the Close button, so it closes it out, and then click the Database Tools and click Compact and Repair Database button, and then save and submit. Thank you.